In the heart of the city stands the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Maria, Bulacan, a university built not just on bricks, but on the dreams of the nation. It envisions itself as an institution that provides high-quality undergraduate programs, globally competitive human capital development, and community services accessible particularly to students of the municipality. And into its gates walked a young dreamer, Rioma A.J. Hernandez, ready to begin his story, embrace new challenges, and chase the future he's always imagined.
Wow! It is PUP-SMB.
Excuse me po, freshman po kayo?
Yes.
Dahil na po may orientation po tungkol sa mission and goals ng PUP, baka po malate kayo.
Welcome, scholars! Our mission here at PUP is simple yet powerful to advance an inclusive, equitable, and globally relevant polytechnic education that contributes to national development.
Inclusive and exclusive. Ang galing. Para sa lahat, pero may kalidad.
Tinuturuan tayo hindi lang para maging matalino, kundi para maging makukulong ang pamamagitan.
And let's see how we do that through our goals. Let me show you how we fulfill that mission through our goals.
Goal 1. Quality Tertiary Education.
Here at PUP, we make sure your education meets global standards. What you learn here, you can use anywhere from Santa Maria to New York.
Goal 2. Responsive Curriculum.
Our courses are not stuck in the past. They are constantly updated to match what society and industry need. Kaya lagi tayong handa sa totoong mundo.
Goal 3. Critical Thinking.
So if we add this concept to a real-world scenario, it can actually help our community solve this problem. Very good, Danny. That's our critical thinking in action.
Goal 4. Social Awareness. We're not just trained to work, we're trained to care. PUP teach us to give back to society. Isa tayo sa pag-angat ng bayan. Goal 5. Industry Linkage.
Good morning, PUPians! Reporting that PUP students are competent, innovative, and ready for the challenges of the global industry.
Goal 6. Quality Instruction.
Alam mo ba, kahit sa ating workplace yung pagturo?
Walang iwanan sa kalidad ng pagtuturo.
Goal 7. Globally Competitive Graduates.
Thanks to PUP, I now work abroad in a top tech company. But I never forget my roots. I carry the PUP SMB values with me: excellence, integrity, and patriotism.
PUP is more than a university. It is a movement, a promise, and a home for every dreamer who believes in quality education.
PUP mula sa'yo
Para sa bayan!
PUP mula sa'yo para sa bayan!
Pag-angat ng bayan.
Go! Wala kasing go! Sabi
Kaso lang.
Oo.
Ulit.